the first thing is about the values inside the family. And for us, the work was never looked at the balancing part of life. It was always something which was the biggest part of our life. Growing up, we saw our parents, both my father and mother, not only try to balance family and work, but make them both the biggest priorities of our life. And that's something that I've continued to embody as we have now been working in Reliance for the last 10 years. So the question of balance really does not come of balancing family or work. Both are the biggest priorities of my life. And there's one simple funda that I think we all need to embody, which is, your priorities of your life. And, as you grow older, your priorities change, but you want to make sure that your priorities are something that are very meaningful to make your life what you imagine it to be. And from our point of view, my family and my work are the two biggest priorities of my life, not only for this phase, but going forward also.